Jack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am sharing with you guys a tutorial on how to achieve a pull-through braid. So this has been a super requested tutorial ever since I posted this picture on my Instagram, and I feel like I probably have done a tutorial before. I just don't know which video it was. I feel like it was probably one of those videos where I share like 10 different hairstyles in one single video. So I think that's where I most likely featured it. If I can find it, I'll leave it linked in the cards. But today's video is all about the pull-through braid. We're gonna go in detail, in depth, step by step on how to achieve this braid. And yes, my hair is looking crazy right now, but that's because we're gonna jump on in to the tutorial. But of course, before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, my name is JaaackJack and I would love to invite you to hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. And yes, this is a real little flower tattoo just for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So before we get into the actual hairstyle, here is what you'll need: a clip like this and then also some clear elastics. Here's what they look like up close. You can use regular hair ties, but I prefer the clear small elastics like this. And then a brush just to smooth out all of your hair so that there's no knots or tangles. So go ahead and brush your hair and we'll begin. So start by grabbing a small section at the top of your head like this and go ahead and secure it down with a clear hair elastic. Since this is the first section and it's at the top of our head, I'm going to go ahead and adjust and make sure it looks good from the front side. So I'm just looking in the mirror over here, tugging at some of the hairs to just make it look full and even it out, if that makes sense. So just make sure it looks good from the front is all I'm saying. Now take that ponytail we just made, flip it forward and clip it down to get it out of the way, just like that. So now I'm going to create another little ponytail, just grabbing another section and then securing it down with a clear elastic. So now we have two small little ponytails. Now with the top ponytail, you want to split it into two like this and then pick up the bottom ponytail and flip it forward and clip it out of the way. So now I'm going to take a small section and create another little ponytail, and this time I'm going to include the two little sections that were left out, so that split in half ponytail from the top. I'm including that in this new ponytail that we're creating. So once that ponytail is secure, I'm going to go ahead and remove the clip and take down that top ponytail and again split it in half, and then take the bottom ponytail, lift it up and clip it back, and again create another ponytail and adding the little two side pieces from the top ponytail. So we're going to just keep repeating that same process with the rest of our hair. So I'm going to go ahead and speed through this and you guys can just watch what I'm doing and I'll play some music for you. Enjoy! So once you have tied up all the hair and like there's no more hair to add, you can actually still repeat the same process by splitting the ponytail in half, tying it underneath, and then bringing down that top ponytail. So again, I'm going to just keep repeating this until I get to the very end of my hair. So now that we are reaching the end of the hair, I am going to secure everything with one last final hair elastic, and that is it. So that's essentially how you create the braid. Now to really give it that big, beautiful, whimsical look that you see in all of these pictures of pull-through braids, you want to actually hold down the hair and pull each little loop, each of these sections, pull them out to kind of pancake the braid, make it look bigger, more voluminous. This is going to give the illusion of thicker hair and also longer hair. So I'm going to speed through this part, but I'm just holding down the hair, like holding the hair elastics and keeping the hair taut as I pull each little loop to make it nice and big and full. And here's just a quick little tip. When you are creating this hairstyle, the smaller you make your ponytails, So like each little section that you create, the smaller you make it, the cooler it's going to look in the end. It's just going to give a really cool effect of bigger, longer hair that's really full of volume. So here is the final look and I'm obsessed with it. I absolutely love the pull through braid. braid, and I hope you guys do too. So that's it for the pull-through braid. I hope you guys enjoyed. So as you can see, it actually is really easy to create. It just takes a little bit of time and patience. And yes, your arms do get a little tired. So the longer your hair is, or the longer or thicker your hair is, the more tired your arms are gonna get. So you're gonna get a really good arm workout when you do this hairstyle. But I think this braid is just so nice to add volume to your hair, and if you have a lot of layers, this is a way to incorporate a braided type of look without all of your layers popping out. It really helps because since we're hair tying like each little section, it's holding that section in place so your layers are going to be secure. I hope you guys give the pull through braid a try. If you do, be sure to tag me in your photos at JaaackJack, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget, I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday now. So I'll see you guys next time.